You don't okay now. Then I go carry your shoe and go there and shady about it. Why the won't match your propose like this, they don't know the matter. They won't give it to tomorrow. If you want job, you can make I say it to you, take it down.
If you can go carry on to you, I bet if you video watch me.
Chop.
I can make you do this kind of sense. Swear to you do yourself.
You get away with it.
You do
These are to get a friend. When you do for somebody first, don't do again until it does. That's how to get a friend.
I ain't saying you're not going to get a friend for this model.
No, that means you want to compromise your standard. Because if you don't do like that,
kind of person that doesn't.
no, even what I'm saying now, is biblical. I'm a Christian. It's biblical. Don't give all this holy to dogs. That's what the Bible says. Matthew 7:6.
Person that doesn't know how to keep calm.
Listen to me. Let me tell you something. It mustn't be so. You said friendship is what? If it wasn't intentional, it's not it. Some people, I'm telling because I'm talking from experience and a lot of things and knowledge about this. I'm saying it because we have manipulators, people who just know you that they give, so they just come, they'll collect from you, collect. Yes, now they'll collect, but when it's time for them to give, they give you excuses, or they'll tell you, or they'll count it. They'll count it. Yeah, they'll count it until you give 100. I'll give 1. Now, let me tell you something. Is that a friend?
I want to ask you a question.
Okay, ask me.
It's still relating to friendship,
Okay.
but it's a more diverse thing. I've been thinking about it and I have my theories about it. I want to hear from you because you're enlightened and you're intellectual. Do you think, in all honesty, it is possible for a man and a woman, or a male and a female, to authentically be friends, platonic friends, and not have romantic or sexual attraction to each other?
It's possible.
That's without them having grown up like brothers and sisters from like a young age. Because I have a theory that it's possible, that is the only way it's possible if they grew up together.
No, that cannot be the only way.
But if they don't grow up together, I'm believing that.
No, you don't need to believe like that. No, a man and a woman can just be friends without anything involved.
Like hanging out,
really tight friends. Yes, really tight friends without anything. Honestly.
Because why I say it is, why my own theory is like that is because I believe that the things that make a friendship the elements, the foundations, the cores that make a friendship is still the things that make a relationship, a romantic relationship, or at least they are what start off a romantic relationship. You get? So how do you do those things with a woman? Like the way you said now, you will do one. If a real friend is a real friend, the person will want to do back. How do you do that back and front?
You have to prove that back and front
with a woman.
Now look at it now.
Feelings for her.
Listen to me. You have to prove that back and front. It's a proving stage. So that you not be manipulated. It's a proving stage. When you know that this person is really genuine, then you don't need to count. That's how you do it.
But my own is, how do you stop yourself from developing feelings for such a person?
No, if the person is now when you want to make a girl your friend or a girl your friend, because me, I don't believe I'm a faggot. You get me now? Are you getting me now?
Yes.
I'm heterosexual.
Like I have issues with homosexuality.
I do. I don't even. So now the question is, friendship starts with purpose. That's where the clarity comes from. Purpose. Are you guys me now? The reason why some people will never have, no matter how close they are, they will never have sexual relationship, is that they have a purpose that we are just going to be friends and very close friends, no
And to them,
strings.
that purpose means more than
Yeah. Then when you now break that side, because when you guys are coming together, there's a definition. There's a definition of friendship. Are you getting me now? You guys are coming together. There must be a definition. If there's no definition, it will end anyhow.
Now I'm feeling bad. I did not think about this purpose. Because truly, if you have a purpose behind why you're relating with somebody,
It's purpose now.
It can cloud any other thing.
Okay, why do we have people who are married to this thing, but their husband know that this is their very close friend, and the trust is there that even though the man can leave the wife with the man, even in the same room, they know nothing will happen.
You'll be
So
like,
because the woman is open to the husband that this person is not that kind of person, and if he does that, it's over.
yeah.
So there's a boundary.
Sometimes the fear of the consequences.
No, apart from the fear, the man that is coming, not even fear. There's fear. If there's only fear when the person is not genuine with his definite why they are friends. If it's not genuine with their friendship, that means at first they were not clear about the friendship. Yeah, sorry about it. At first they were not clear about it. That's where there's something fishy. But it's clear, this is it. I don't like you. Okay, we could work together. We could be nice friends. From there, from nice friends and good friends, from good to great friends, from there to brothers and sister. So you not see yourself like brother and sister. Are you getting me now? So that's just how it works. But if there's no purpose, anything can happen.
Thank you for asking.